I want to tell you about these picnic tables. I've had them for over 6 years, and they're the best patio furniture I've ever bought. And here's why. They're obviously a great little picnic table, but what's more, with the flick of a wrist, they fold down and become a bench. So after you've enjoyed your meal, you can enjoy sitting back, relaxing, and talking with people. Now, they're not huge. They're about 4.5 feet long, and they've had really sturdy construction. I've been impressed. They've held up really well with my 4 kids, climbing on them, pushing on them, painting on them, having balls and bats and things hit them, and they're still in great shape. They've weathered a little bit over the years. There's a few signs of water stains or some spills that maybe weren't cleaned up after we spilled something at a dinner, but they're really in great shape, and I would definitely buy these things again. Now, if you decide to buy some, you can pick them up on Amazon. I'll include an affiliate link down in the description below. Let me show you a little bit more about these. Now, these are really some ingenious construction. With a simple push on one hand, you can convert it from a bench to a table and then back to a bench. It's super easy. Now, if you need a longer table than the 4.5 feet that these are already at, you can simply get 4 of them. They're pretty lightweight. They're easy to move around, and you can see that you could easily set another couple here and have a 9-foot long picnic table. They're a great addition to the deck. You can move them wherever you want. We keep one at our fire pit, which is nice for serving food and roasting hot dogs, marshmallows, and even just sitting around the fire pit. These picnic tables that convert to benches are from a company called Lifetime. They make a lot of great outdoor equipment. Now, when I assembled these, it was super easy. There's a handful of bolts, and the bars, they come in a flat box from Amazon. Then you screw on all the slats for your bench and your tabletop. Now, after sitting outside for 6.5 years, there's a little bit of weathering. You can see a crack here, a little bit of a water stain, maybe a small bit of rust building. But really, for outdoor patio furniture, that's not bad at all. I could use a simple coat of paint along here to keep the metal lasting for years to come. Now, when I bought these, there was a slat or two that was broken in the box, and I was really impressed with Lifetime. They sent the replacement slats out super quick so I could get these things built. At my other house, the deck was a brown, and it went really well with this brown color. Now that we've moved to a new home, the deck's gray. These actually come in a gray color as well. So I might think about replacing these picnic tables this summer. And if I do, leave a comment if you'd like to see me assemble these to see just how easy it is. And I'll make that video as well. So, I've loved these picnic tables that turn into benches for the last 6.5 years. If you want to buy some, there's an affiliate link down in the description where you can pick them up from Amazon. They'll be delivered in a few days. It costs you nothing more, but it does send a small thank you commission to me to help me make more great videos like this. I also appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe. That'll help YouTube know that this is a helpful video so that it shows it to other people as well. Thanks for watching Tomahawk DIY. Have a great day.